iPhone versus Android, which is better for you? Elements to think about before you purchase a smartphone. When buying the best smartphone, the primary alternative could be the toughest, iPhone versus Android. Each provide plenty of nice options, however iPhones and Android telephones are very completely different. Learn on to study extra about these variations that can assist you determine whether or not an iPhone or Android smartphone is finest for you. Hardware, selection versus polish. Hardware is the primary place the variations between the iPhone and Android grow to be clear. Solely Apple makes iPhones, so it has extraordinarily tight management over how the software and hardware work collectively. However, Google provides Android software program to many telephone makers, together with Samsung, HTC, and Motorola. Due to that, Android telephones fluctuate in dimension, weight, options, and high quality. Premium-priced Android telephones are about pretty much as good because the iPhone, however cheaper Androids are extra liable to issues. In fact, iPhones can have hardware points, too, however their total greater high quality. Should you're shopping for an iPhone, it is advisable to cite a mannequin. As a result of many corporations make Android units, it's important to select each a model and a mannequin. Some could choose the selection Android provides, however others admire Apple's better simplicity and better high quality. Winner, tie. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.